Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add captions in your YouTube shorts. Captions can make your videos more engaging, accessible and viewer friendly. So let's get started. First, record or edit your video using an app like CapCut, InShot or even the YouTube Shorts editor. Make sure your video is in vertical format and under 60 seconds for the best results. Open the YouTube app or go to youtube.com and log into your account, then tap the plus button from here to upload your video. Now choose your video and select create a short and choose your video. You can use CapCut, InShot or other editing apps or animated for animated captions, tests and effects. Export your edited video and then upload it to YouTube as a short. Now add a catchy title, add description, to hashtags boost your reach, and then hit next and upload your shorts to share it with all. And that's it. You have successfully added captions to your YouTube shorts. If you have found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.